If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After creating custom form styles, they appear in the list within the Custom Form Styles page. To manage the custom forms, use the commands available within the Action column. The Custom Form Styles list contains a standard form that is created when you created your company file. This is automatically the default form. To make another custom form the default, click the drop-down arrow for its action column, and then select the Make Default command. To delete a custom form, click the drop-down arrow for its action column, and then select the Delete command. Then click the Yes, Delete This Style button in the confirmation window that opens to finish deleting it, or click the No, Keep It button to keep it. To edit a form style, click the Edit link under its action column. To preview a form styles PDF, click the drop-down arrow for its action column, and then select the Preview PDF command. Doing this opens a PDF preview of the form in a new window. You can close this window after viewing it. To rename a form style, click the drop-down arrow for its action column, and then select the Rename command. Doing this opens a small window where you can type a new form name into the Rename Your Template field that appears. Then click the OK button to finish renaming it, or click the Cancel button to cancel renaming the form. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.